Capable Logistician 2015 was the first NATO exercise that not only provided smart energy to several other logistic units, but also included private companies as fully integrated participants, bringing together expertise, the latest smart energy technology, and NATO logistic experts.
We need a new process, we need education, training, and we need new technologies. Technologies which are actually used in the civilian community already. So it's the very first time that civilian technology is being transferred to the military. Normally the military develops something like GPS, and then later on the civilian society uses it. This time actually it's the other way around.
Logistical supply to the operational theatre has always been a challenge in military history, putting lives and missions at risk. In recent years, it became obvious that fuel and water supply are creating an unnecessarily large logistical footprint with ever-increasing costs. Recent experiments demonstrated that the combination of smart energy production, storage, distribution and consumption in a microgrid can reduce diesel consumption by 40 to 50% in military camps, in turn reducing the logistical burden and fuel dependency while increasing operational flexibility. At the same time, energy-efficient air conditioning technology tested during the exercise was shown to reduce energy consumption by 8 times. During the exercise, logistical units tested the interoperability and effectiveness of smart energy technologies, producing renewable energy, storing and managing its distribution, and reducing energy consumption with new energy-efficient alternatives for lighting, air conditioning, and insulated tents. The NATO Science for Peace and Security program held an advanced research workshop at the end of the exercise, bringing together civilian and military, NATO and partner country smart energy experts. With support from the NATO Energy Security Centre of Excellence in Lithuania, the workshop evaluated the results of the exercise and provided recommendations for future smart energy standardization agreements.
Well, it's great to see smart energy in the field. It's not just a theory on paper or on screens, it's actually working. This is what an exercise like this is all about. To test the new technologies, to test them in a real exercise environment, in a multinational camp, and integrated in general logistics of an exercise. I think the lessons learned from this exercise should feed our work ahead, especially in generating or updating our standards, the so-called standard agreements, the STANAGs, in order to be able to introduce the smart energy elements in these standards, because as one can see, these are essential enablers of the modern military, essential enablers of NATO's mission.